The Quantitative Bull Forex Scalper EA is not a good choice for EURUSD. We will explore all the results and reports of this boat on the EURUSD. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. You are watching TradingBotLab and I am your host Abdul. I already have done its optimization process. So let's move to my screen. Here on the screen, you can see I have selected the Bull Forex Scalper. Here is your USD 5-minute time frame and the last 3 years of history. And I'm using the modeling every tick based on analytics with a deposit of $1,000 and the leverage is 1 to 500 leverage. Almost all brokers offer this leverage. Let's move to the optimization results, and here let's see. Here is the highest profit factor is 217. The highest profit, and show you the graph you will see here. The backtest process is completed, and here you see immediately when I start the board, it give a drawdown and then a profit, good profit, straightly going up, and then it start moving in a range from here to end. This is a range, and overall it is in profit. With a deposit of $1,000, this means it made 71.4% growth in the last 3 years. You can see here the highest profit give us a 30% of drawdown and the highest recovery factor is 7.5. Okay, but here you see the total number of trades are 12, 14, and these number of trades are in the last 3 years, and this is not making any sense. The bottom line is I am not going to use any of these settings for my personal trading. If you are planning to use the Quantitative Bull Forex Scalper EA on the Euro USD pair, then you are going to make a mistake because you are not going to make any good profit. I will do its optimization on the Euro USD on other time frames such as 15-minute or maybe 30-minute time frame or maybe 1-minute time frame. Okay, for now that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.